You grind away at your 9 to 5, day in and day out, hoping that your hard work will eventually pay off. You're clocking in, doing your time, and following the routine that society has laid out for you. But are you really getting ahead? Are you truly making progress towards your financial goals? The truth is, most people aren't. They're stuck in a cycle that seems impossible to break. The traditional job market is designed to make someone else rich, not you. It's structured to benefit the top executives and shareholders. You trade your precious time for a fixed income, often with little to no room for growth. This limits your earning potential and keeps you from achieving true financial independence. It keeps you stuck in the rat race. Think about it. You're constantly running but never really getting anywhere. You're exchanging your hours for a paycheck, a temporary reward that barely covers your expenses. No matter how hard you work, you're still trading time for money, and that equation never changes. This limits your ability to build real wealth and achieve financial security. You're dependent on your employer for your income, which puts you in a vulnerable position. What happens if you lose your job? What happens if you're laid off or your company downsizes? What happens if your industry changes or becomes obsolete due to technological advancements? The 9 to 5 can feel like a trap, a never-ending cycle that you can't escape from. You're stuck in a cycle of working to pay bills, with little to no room for saving or investing. This leaves little room for financial growth and keeps you from reaching your full potential. It's time to break free from this outdated system. It's time to take control of your financial destiny. You need to take control of your financial future by exploring new opportunities and investing in yourself. You deserve more than just getting by. You deserve financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms. We're told to go to school, get good grades, and find a stable job. This is the traditional path that society has laid out for us, a path that many follow without question. From a young age, we're conditioned to believe that academic success and a good job are the ultimate goals. We spend years in classrooms, striving for high grades, and then move on to higher education, hoping to secure a degree that will open doors to a promising career. This is supposed to guarantee our financial security. The idea is that with a stable job, we can afford a comfortable lifestyle, buy a home, support a family, and save for retirement. It's a comforting thought, one that gives us a sense of direction and purpose. We envision a future where our hard work pays off, leading to financial stability and peace of mind. But the world has changed. The rapid advancement of technology and globalization has transformed the job market. The skills that were once in high demand are now becoming obsolete. The rise of the gig economy and remote work has altered the traditional employment landscape. The once clear-cut path to success is now fraught with uncertainties and challenges. Job security is an illusion. Companies downsize. Industries disappear. Automation is taking over. The jobs that were once considered safe are now at risk of being replaced by machines and artificial intelligence. The notion of a lifelong career with a single employer is becoming a thing of the past. We must adapt to this new reality. Relying solely on a job for your financial well-being is risky. The economic landscape is unpredictable, and relying on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable. Unexpected layoffs, economic downturns, and industry disruptions can happen at any time, leaving you without a safety net. It's crucial to have a backup plan. You're putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket falls, everything you've worked for could be lost in an instant. Diversification is key to financial resilience. By spreading your investments and income sources, you reduce the risk of losing everything at once. If something happens to that basket, you're in trouble. A single point of failure can have devastating consequences. It's essential to build a financial strategy that can withstand unexpected shocks and setbacks. This means thinking beyond the traditional job and exploring other avenues for income. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Take proactive steps now to secure your financial future. The earlier you start, the better prepared you'll be to face any challenges that come your way. It's time to rethink your approach to financial security and take control of your destiny. Start building multiple income streams now. Diversify your income. Look for opportunities to create additional revenue sources, whether it's through side hustles, investments, or starting your own business. The more streams of income you have, the more resilient you'll be in the face of economic uncertainties. Create multiple avenues for money to flow into your life. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets that generate passive income. It could also involve leveraging your skills and expertise to offer freelance services or launch an online business. The goal is to build a diverse portfolio of income sources that can support you in any economic climate. This could be through side hustles, investments, or online businesses. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for generating income beyond the traditional job. Embrace the possibilities and explore different ways to monetize your skills and interests. The more proactive you are, the more secure your financial future will be. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Diversification not only provides financial stability, but also gives you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests without the constant worry of financial insecurity. It's about creating a life where you have control over your financial destiny. It's time to wake up to the new reality. The world is changing, and so must we. Embrace the opportunities that come with this change and take charge of your financial future. Don't wait for circumstances to force you into action. Be proactive and start building a secure and prosperous future today. Take control of your financial destiny. Set clear goals, make a plan, and take consistent action towards achieving them. The power to create a secure financial future lies in your hands. Don't leave it to chance or rely on others to provide for you. Take the initiative and build the life you want. Don't rely on anyone else for your security. Your financial well-being is your responsibility. By diversifying your income and taking control of your financial future, you can create a life of stability, freedom, and fulfillment. It's time to wake up and take charge of your destiny. Breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind is possible. Countless people have done it. They've found financial freedom and live life on their terms. You can too. It starts with a shift in mindset. You need to see yourself as an entrepreneur, an investor, a creator. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book challenges traditional thinking about money. It teaches you the importance of financial literacy. Another great read is The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. This book provides a blueprint for escaping the 9-to-5. Start small. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. Start building your side hustle in your free time. Invest in your education. Learn new skills. The key is to take action. Your journey to financial freedom starts now, one step at a time. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? What problems can you solve? Your side hustle should align with your interests and talents. This will make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. The internet has created endless opportunities to monetize your skills. You can freelance online, start an e-commerce store, or create and sell digital products. Think about what you enjoy doing. Can you turn that into a source of income? Take me, for example. I'm passionate about business and helping others succeed. I turned that passion into a personal brand and a media company. You can do the same. Remember, your side hustle is your ticket to freedom. It's your chance to build something of your own. Invest like a boss. Make your money work for you. Investing is not just for the wealthy or the financially savvy. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to build a secure future. Saving money is important, but it's not enough. While saving is a great habit, it often doesn't keep up with inflation. You need to invest your money to build real wealth. Investing allows your money to grow exponentially, rather than just sitting idle in a savings account. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating passive income. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. It helps you beat inflation and grow your wealth over time. Inflation can erode the value of your savings, but smart investments can outpace inflation. Start by educating yourself about different investment options. This could include stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to understand them before diving in. Don't be afraid to start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Even small investments can add up over time. The key is consistency and patience. Regularly investing small amounts can lead to substantial growth. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today." This wisdom applies perfectly to investing. The same goes for investing. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow and compound. Don't wait to start investing. Procrastination can cost you valuable time and potential returns. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Take the first step today and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Imagine having multiple sources of income flowing into your bank account. This is the power of building multiple income streams. It's like having a financial safety net. If one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. How do you create multiple income streams? Start with your side hustle. Once it's generating consistent income, explore other avenues. This could be investing in rental properties, creating and selling online courses, or writing an ebook. Think outside the box. Be creative. There are countless ways to generate income in today's economy. The key is to diversify and not rely on a single source of income. Multiple income streams provide financial security and peace of mind. They also give you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your terms. In the fast-paced world we live in, continuous learning is crucial. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. This applies to your personal and professional life. Make time for self-improvement. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and take online courses. Stay updated on industry trends and acquire new skills. Knowledge is power, and it's the key to adapting to the ever-changing job market and economy. Don't be afraid to invest in your education. It's the best investment you can make. Your knowledge and skills are your most valuable assets. They will open doors to new opportunities and help you navigate the challenges of building wealth. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey. Embrace it. You are the CEO of your life. You're in control of your financial destiny. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You have the power to create the life you want. It starts with taking ownership of your finances. Set clear financial goals. Create a budget. Track your spending. Make a plan and stick to it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek guidance from financial advisors or mentors. Remember, you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself. Take action. The future is yours to create. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect time. The time is now. Take control. The path to wealth and freedom is within your reach. It won't be easy. It will require hard work, dedication, and resilience, but it will be worth it. The rewards of building a life of financial freedom are immeasurable. You'll have the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and make a difference in the world. You'll be in control of your time and your destiny. It all starts with a single step. What are you waiting for? Get started today. Your empire awaits. Go build it.